This pile of trash becomes a $50,000 machine in 72 hours. But one wrong move and everything is destroyed. Watch what happens. This is what we're building, and it starts right now. Step 1. Most of this metal gets rejected immediately. Wrong metal type? The entire motor cracks under pressure. £1,700 of metal, about to become liquid. In 45 minutes, solid becomes liquid. No fire needed. Too cold? It won't pour. Too hot? They waste thousands. This tiny sample decides if they pour or start over. Approved. Now the real danger begins. One pour, one chance. There's no going back now. Moving liquid metal across the floor. What could go wrong? This sand is engineered. Wrong mix equals failed casting. This empty space becomes the motor casing. If it collapses, game over. One loose grain of sand in here ruins everything. Eight seconds to fill. Perfect flow or catastrophic failure. Still glowing, still too hot to touch. But it worked. Cracks you can't see can be felt by trained hands. Casting is done. Now comes the hardest part. Perfection. This hole decides everything. Wrong size? The motor never works. 0.03 of a millimeter off. They almost had to scrap it. This part took a month to build. It arrives perfect, or they reject it. 200 tons forces it in. Once it's in, it never comes out.
Bring her down, gentle.
If this moves even slightly, they just destroyed 48 hours of work.
Perfect. Torque it up.
Everything before this was preparation. This is where it becomes electric. Exactly 48 turns per coil. One less and it loses power. 12 kilometers of wire goes in by hand. This takes 6 hours. One wire in the wrong slot. The entire winding burns up. If this test fails, 6 hours of winding becomes scrap. Remove all air first, then varnish reaches every wire. Too hot and the insulation melts, too cold and it never hardens. .3 millimeters clearance on a 1,000-pound assembly. Watch this. Every specification on this plate was earned. 72 hours of perfection. 50 checkpoints. One failure stops everything. Watch what happens next. "72 hours of work. One switch. Will it run?" Now the real test. Full power. Can it handle it? Charged particles attracted to metal. Perfect coverage every time. After 72 hours of perfection, it ships across the world. One motor leaves every 8 minutes. This factory never stops. From scrap metal to powering a city's water supply. "5 years, 0 failures, still running 24/7. This factory produces 15 motors every single day. Watch how. Millions invested in equipment to build motors that never fail. Every chip, every scrap melted and reused. 0 waste. They destroy motors on purpose to learn how to make them better. From desert heat to Arctic cold, these motors work anywhere.
Looks centered from here. Confirmed. Bring it down slowly. Slow down, just a millimeter. Steady, steady. Check the alignment on sector 3.
Looks good. Keep lowering slowly.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slow. Looks good. Set it down.
Every international safety standard, every efficiency rating, all passed. Problem at your site? Factory engineers fly out same day. Every component tracked, every motor traced, total accountability. Higher upfront cost, but saves more in 3 years. This motor has run for 38 years, still perfect. Three years, 0 serious accidents. Safety is not negotiable. Scrap metal to precision machine, 72 hours. Watch it happen. This is why it costs thousands of dollars. This is why it never fails.